Now coming to the layered peptidoglycan composition. Its composition. What is the composition? The peptide, as the name indicates, the peptidoglycan, peptides and the glycan. They are the two components, the peptides and the glycan. So they are peptidoglycan in nature. The functions of the peptidoglycan are layered, or that they act as a backbone. They act as the backbone of the cell wall. They provide the structural support, and they maintain characteristic shape of the bacteria. And they also act as receptor of some antibiotics, such as the penicillins and the cephalosporins. The penicillins and cephalosporins are the antibiotics which act on the cell wall of the bacteria. Why the antibiotics? These antibiotics, the penicillins and cephalosporins, they act on the cell wall of the bacteria only, but not on the human beings, because there is the difference of the composition of the cell wall of the human beings and the bacteria. The cell wall of the gram-negative bacteria. As I told you, the cell wall of the gram-negative bacteria has the outer membrane, and this outer membrane is absent in the gram-positive bacteria. So this is one of the difference. The This outer membrane of the gram-negative bacteria is composed of lipopolysaccharide. So the cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria is composed of the peptidoglycan layer, while the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria, that is composed of the lipopolysaccharides. Means there are the two parts of the lipopolysaccharides. One is the lipid part, and second is the polysaccharide part. So the lipid part, lipid A, this is the lipid part, and this acts as an endotoxin, which which is mostly released. The endotoxins are released only by the gram-negative bacteria. The gram-positive bacteria release both the endotoxin as well as the exotoxin, but the gram-negative bacteria, they release them. Only they release the endotoxin, not the exotoxin. Polysaccharide part of the lipopolysaccharide, that acts as an antigen, and this is called the somatic O antigen. This has the importance in the laboratory diagnosis of the bacteria. So the outer polysaccharide part of the lipopolysaccharide acts as a somatic O antigen. So the bacteria which have the cell wall, these are usually the gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria, but some of the bacteria which do not have the cell wall, and they are different from the gram positive and gram negative, and therefore they are not stained by the gram stain. Some of the bacteria are not stained by the gram staining. They are different from gram positive and gram negative bacteria, so they are not stained by the gram staining. Why they are not stained by the gram staining? Because their cell wall is different from both of these gram positive and gram negative, and their cell wall contains the high content of lipid, and this high content of lipid contains one of the fatty acid which is known as the mycolic acid. So the mycolic acid is present in the cell wall of those bacteria which are known as the acid fast bacteria. These are known as the acid fast bacteria, which have the high content of lipid and they contain the mycolic acid. The best example of acid fast bacilli is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Why they are called the acid fast? Because they resist the decolorization with the hydrochloric acid, the acid alcohol combination. So they are not decolorized by the acid alcohol after being stained with the carbal fusel. When we stain the acid fast bacilli, we use the first dye we use is the carbal fusing, and then we use the acid alcohol. So when we apply the acid alcohol, they are not decolorized. So they are known as the acid fast bacilli. And the best example is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Now the after this cell wall, we discuss the membrane that is known as cytoplasmic membrane. Cytoplasmic membrane is the phospholipid in nature, and sterol absent in the prokaryotic cells. The sterols which are not present in the prokaryotic cells in the bacteria except the one. You have to remember which of the bacteria have the sterol in the cytoplasmic membrane. Only one bacteria, the one, the only one bacteria that have the sterol in the cytoplasmic membrane is the mycoplasma. So you have to remember, and this usually comes in the ECQ. Which one of the bacteria have the sterol in the cytoplasmic membrane? Only the mycoplasma. So what are the functions of the cytoplasmic membrane? These are the different functions. The cytoplasmic membrane acts as a receptor, as a transport of the molecule. So one of the action of the cytoplasmic membrane, function of the cytoplasmic membrane is the transport of the molecule and the generation of the energy, and they also act as the precursor of the cell wall, synthesis of the precursors of the cell wall, secretion of the enzymes and toxins. These are the different functions of the cytoplasmic membrane. The techuic acid. The teachic acid, these are the fibers which are only present in the gram-positive bacteria, in the gram-positive bacteria. So thing here, the thing is to remember that the teachic acid fibers, they are present only in the gram-positive bacteria. When they arise from the cytoplasmic membrane, they are called the lipotechic acid. When they are located in the outer layer, they are known as the teachic acid. When they arise from the cytoplasmic membrane, they are called lipotechic acid. They are composed of the glycerol phosphate or the ribitol phosphate. So this is the composition and what and the functions or they induce the septic shock in the gram-positive bacteria. So one of the function of the teachic acid fibers is the induction of the septic shock in the gram-positive bacteria, and they also act as a adherent agent. They cause the adherence to the adjacent host cells. The host cells they adhere to the host cells by the teachic acid fiber. Now, the innermost part and the essential part of the bacteria is the genome of the bacteria, the chromosome of the bacteria, and that is the DNA. DNA of the bacteria of the prokaryotic cell is circular, single circular. Look at this. They have the genes 2000 genes, while in case of the human beings, the human DNA contains about 100,000 genes. So this is the difference. In case of the bacteria, the genome of the bacteria, the nuclide of the bacteria have the 2000 genes, contrary to that the human being DNA contains 1000 genes. As you know, why do call this one is the this one is the nuclide. This one is not nucleus. Nucleus is absent in the prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells in the bacteria, the it is called the nuclide. What do you mean by the prokaryotic cells? Means pro means the first and karyo means the nucleus. So the word prokaryote mean they have not the true nucleus. They have no they contains the cytoplasmic organelles which are bound, bound by the membranes, and they have no true nucleus. This is the nuclei, and the nuclide do not have the introns and the histones. These are present in the DNA of the human beings. They are absent in the nuclide of the bacteria and the prokaryotic cells. Okay. Now the ribosomes. The ribosomes are also present in the prokaryotic cells in the bacteria. Their size is the 70S, and their subunits are the 50 and 30. While in case of the human beings, our DNA contains the 80S size of the ribosomes and the subunits are the 60S and 40. So this is one of the difference of the ribosomes in the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. And the ribosome function is to collection of the of antibiotics. They have the selective action of the antibiotics. Some of the bacteria they act on the ribosomes and thereby they inhibit the synthesis of the protein. So they are sites of some of the antibiotics. These are the extra chromosomal genetic material of DNA and they are the capable of replication independently. They can be integrated into the bacterial chromosome and acquired in both gram positive and gram negative. So these are the extra chromosomal genetic material. They are no doubt they are the genetic material, but they are the extra chromosomal and they are able to replicate independently. They can integrate into the bacterial DNA and they are present in both the gram positive and negative. And thank you very much. Okay, ask if you have any question, query, you can ask. You can raise your question. Snapshot. Turn on the snapshot. Snapshot.